Sakile wins the position of councillor at Emnyameni. Jackson and Martha are still in disbelief. Mam Nomeva leaves her house and car to Leroy, and Nguga comes claiming that he is Nomeva's biological son. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. Sakile got announced as the new councillor of Emnyameni. He won the elections against Martha. Jackson and Martha are still in disbelief because they wanted to rig the votes, but they knew there was no way because Phakathi made sure that there were enough policemen at the voting station, so they stood no chance. The Abantu community, they were very happy that Sakile won. They seemed to really support him. Martha and Jackson are still in disbelief. Apparently Jackson did not even sleep, saying we should have just risked it as Gama votes because now Jackson has to work with Sakile. Martha should have known because Sakile had all that support. And then Petrona decides to buy her husband a suit as represented today because it's a big day for him. Wear a suit and not wear these overalls and look representable because now Sakile is like, nope, this is not me. I'm not a suit guy. I mean, I'm going there to work for the community. So I'm going there in my work suits, Sebenza. So Petrona was disappointed because she spent all that money for him to look different. But Sakile was like, nope. And then they welcome Sakile Jackson saying that he would want to recount the votes, but 78% is a huge gap. And then welcomes Sakile and congratulates him and saying he must come and take his oath as the new councillor of Emnyameni. And Sakile stood there taking his oath as the new councillor and just vowing that he will lead with dignity and honor and put the people's interest at heart and not benefit his own interest. And Upakat was also there. I'm congratulate again. I think the media was also there. And Jackson had to make sure that he reminds Sakile that he is still the mayor of Emnyameni and what decisions are working. And Sakile must never forget that. Jackson. And then Fanyana decides that he's going to move back home because life is too short. And then the lawyer comes to read out the will. And Nomeva left a whole lot of money for Thandiswa, Sakile and Pendulo. And then she left the house and her car to Leroy. Like all the rest feels like it's a big gesture. Still can't believe it. And then Nguga appears saying that apparently Nguga is also in the will. The lawyer starts saying that Nguga is on the will of Mam Nomeva, and Nguga is apparently Mam Nomeva's biological son. Why the coincidence? I think Nguga cooked this because you can just see when the lawyer is saying this, because it's like he looks scared. He probably bought the lawyer or mhlambe I don't know, like he threatened him. And then, maybe it's true, I don't know. I just don't think this is true. And then Nguga says, from now on, they must get used to being siblings. Because Leroy and like, there's no way. And then Umamiki went to congratulate Petrona saying, hey, Mrs. Councillor now. But Martha made sure that she's buried in admin so that she doesn't get a chance to celebrate. Mamike then went to tell Songanga, not that wonke what name that was too long and so old-fashioned, but at least Songanga liked the name and he's happy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.